Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the password for your account on the KineMaster video editing app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the KineMaster application on your device. And once you open it up, you can start working on your old project or create a new one right away. Now, if you wish to change your password, tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on the menu icon at the top right. From here, go ahead and tap on My Account. And now you will see your password. Tap on the password option and you will now be allowed to change your password. First of all, enter your current password that you are using to log into your account in order to verify your identity. Then click on Next, and once you have entered the correct password, you will now be allowed to enter your desired new password for your account. After typing in your desired new password, tap on Complete, and now your password has successfully been changed within your KineMaster account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password within your account on the KineMaster video editing app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.